There's just two things that are great for the entire hip and give you access to the insertions more than anything. Okay, so and I will take the bottom leg straight, top leg bent, but I'll probably again I'm thinking of I've got athletes. I've got really really tight hips and joints. So if I start to lift this up and pull, I'm going to hurt myself. So I'm always trying to use something simple to move the body around. Okay, what that does, that opens up all that for me to come work on. So you might pull over here in this, or come this way here and see. And so basically, from coming in, I can get all the insertion points all the way into here. So nice deep inhale. If you're going, if you let me know, okay? How you doing? That's tight. That's in between the other ones. And you've got that kind of all the joints stacked. I can do two. The one thing that's different here, and most time I'm saying I like you to get your joints stacked, but I'm in kind of a vulnerable place right here. I don't want both my hands kind of stuck in there, like one hand out to kind of distract. So I kind of find my spots, and I use one hand for that. And then I'll push in. Yeah. And this is purely a trigger point release, so there's no other reason to do it, right? Looking for stress in the eye, kind of deal. And then I'm not going to drag that. I'm going to let go. I'm going to find the next insertion. Isn't as bad. And so again, you can name going around the corner, or you can just figure out that one feels a lot tighter than the other one, and I'm going to work on this, right? And see. And then I like to do just a little bit of jostle, so this hand here or my hip will kind of come in. And so once I've got a really good pin, I want some kind of movement there. I don't want to grind with the hand that I'm using, and so I'll just kind of move their body a bit. There you go. Okay, and I can go all the way around there. I can get deep in here. Then I can work. If you're walking or using your foot, it's nice because you step here and go out. You come this way. You step and go out, and you're pretty much just not invading their private areas. You'll be pushing away and going down. I'll work on there. Okay, so that. So you can get in here really good, just sideline, right? So you get some good stuff done. You might have staggered legs, like that. You reach around. You might be a little more out here. Open up. So here I'm kind of, she's supporting herself. I can feel the muscles, so I want to bring her more on me. Okay, so that's nice. Now I get some really good depth in there. Really easy to feel what's going on. It's slackened, working all that. And then I can add a little counter pressure. I like to, again, that mortar pestle thing, I like to really figure out what's going on. So I'll take her foot, put it on my hip pocket, like that. Again, tight underwear, a sheet. So if it's a sheet draping, I'll pull the sheet through, around, and like that. So I got a really, really good kind of whole, the whole leg's draped there. And then I will start to find spots. How we doing? She's pretty good. I'll come all the way around. Oh, sorry.
No, that's good. I'm just shocked at what you're finding.
And the real good thing is that her joint moves really, her hip moves good, but again, you're going to be with some people that just don't. I mean, their whole life is about tying that joint up. And so this is very free. When I get in that position, I just kind of think of, again, holding on to a life buoy for dear life, like I'm going to drown in the ocean if I let go of it. So I've got it, and now I can change the joint. And even the person who's really holding their joint usually has to give us some of that. Alright. And I do posterior work too, but we're not doing posterior today, kind of deal. I was kind of playing around. Doing.
Stay.
And I feel the pulse, right? And again, be smart, know your contraindications, but I don't jump off that pulse. I worry if I stop the pulse, I'm gonna leave it. But as long as they're healthy and there's not a blood flow issue, I don't just release that. So this is pretty tight. I'm on some slackening. Not the best body mechanics, so try to be careful.
Oh.
And that's where I'd be working with you, is right there. Sorry. So I'm trying to be smart. I got a little bit of my arm is definitely flexed here, but it's on my knee, right? So you know, but sometimes you're just really trying to figure out a position, and this is where hers is. How we doing? Yeah, it's tight there. Nice deep breath. Gonna come across. And this is why, like, if you're doing this work, you know it's this work. It's great to not drape and just wear this. This is, you know, this works really well. Okay, so play with that. It'll be different responses for different people, but that's kind of the idea. Good?
Yeah.